What's going on, Jack?
Nothing crashed.
Now Jack has got something new we want to do as a special episode here. Jack, tell us about, this is a piece of equipment, a drone in fact, that we've been lent to try on this trip, and it has something very special about it that makes it perfect for shooting in the mountains. Jack, take us away.
Yeah, thanks to Parrot, we got this new drone from them. Very small. I reckon it's about the same size as Spark that DJ normally use. Smaller than the one I use.
It's a lot bigger than the Spark, Jack.
Yeah, but this one has a magic that the camera can go all the way up. Yeah, well, all the drones we've been using, only the Inspire series that you can tail up to see the mountain, that you don't have to fly over. But this one, this little tiny one, have the same thing.
Well, for me, it's really got a beautiful image on the screen. It looked fantastic. We may just have been lucky with the scenery and the weather at the time that we were filming. I'm just bringing it into land now. For me, it worked really, really nicely. The look-up function is great. It is slow to handle. It's a bit fiddly to switch between photographs and video. Found that a little bit annoying, but other than that, those are very minor glitches. It seems to perform quite well. It doesn't go very high, but that shouldn't be a problem if you're flying within legal limits anyway. It certainly does what you can do legally. But overall, I would say this is for mountain hikers, particularly people who go in big, tall Himalayan mountains. This is definitely a drone to consider. What do you say, Jack?
I will take it. Well, it's about 4,300 meters above sea level. I'm gonna give it a try to see how the Parrot drone working. Crashed! I think this altitude and maybe the range is blocking the signal. I fly by the side, it doesn't go up.
Do you know where it is?
Kind of. Let's see.
Okay. So it looks like we're on episode 2 of the lost drone. The first being in Zhaoqing. Jack's crashed the Anafi. We think it's a bit of issue with the altitude maybe. He lost the signal and it's just gone into the rock somewhere. Hopefully not too high up, because we're already at about 4,800 meters. And it's not a place where you want to go climbing mountains looking for drones. You connected to it?
You see it?
What picture have you got? Let's see. It's here. We're close. We see it, Simon?
So I ran down after we're here. Found it fairly quick. It was by the flat rock down there somewhere. But that is the same shape and size as all the rocks. So, my lesson to you is paint the bloody thing red. Mind you, it just looked like the litter, wouldn't it?
Okay.
Then it'd be worse than that.
Heard from the end user, yeah?
voted it up.
Make it either red or red blue. Easy for us to find.
It's got my disc in it as well. I was glad you found it. It's working, Jay?
I'm filming you now. Actually, the picture looks quite neat. It's
No
responding very well, no problem.
Okay, let's try fly it.
Yeah, I love you, Parrot.